Hello mga makamelo! Ang ating pag-aaralan ngayon ay combining like terms. Magfo-focus muna tayo sa addition. Paano nga ba tayo mag-add ng like terms? You need to add only the coefficients or numbers in front. Ano nga bang sinasabi nating coefficient? Kung meron tayong term na ganito, ang ating coefficient ay 2. And kung meron tayong term na 3y, ang ating coefficient ay 3. They are numbers in front of the variable. Okay, next, you have to keep the variable and exponent exactly the same. Pag sinabi po nating variable, we are talking about the letter or letters. And of course, the exponent is the number above the base or the letter. So, dito po sa ating example kanina, x is the variable and y is the variable. Kung wala po tayo nakikita, automatically that the exponent is 1. Okay, you have to remember this. You can only combine terms that are alike. This topic is already discussed in my previous videos, so you can go back and watch them. Next is don't forget the concept of adding integers. Let's have another example in adding like terms. Example number 1 is 4x plus 3x. Kung mapapansin po natin, like terms po sila kasi parehas po ang kanilang variable at parehas po ang kanilang exponent, which is 1. Automatically po 1 yan kung wala po tayo nakikita. And now, we can identify our coefficients, which is 4 and 3. So, if i-add po natin sila, 4 plus 3 is 7. And as I mentioned a while ago, we just need to keep the variables and the exponents, which is x raised to 1, but we can just simply write x. Let's proceed with the next example. We have 2y plus negative 5y. They are also like terms because their variables is the same, which is y, and their exponent is 1. Now, let's try to identify our coefficients, which is the number before the variables or the number in front of the variables, which is 2 and negative 5. Anong mapapansin nyo po sa sign ng ating mga numbers? Positive and negative. So, ang gagawin lang po natin, i-apply po natin yung concept ng adding of integers na kapag magkaiba ang kanilang sign, we need to subtract the number, which is 5 minus 2 is 3, but the sign will be negative because then the sign of the greater number is negative. And then after you add the coefficients, we just need to keep the variable and the exponent. Let's have another example. We have 3x squared plus 5x squared. They are also like terms because parehas po na x and parehas po na exponents, which is 2. We can just keep the variables and the exponent, and we just need to add the coefficients, which is 3 and 5. So 3 plus 5 is 8. Thank you so much, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and my Facebook account and my TikTok account, Makamelo. Goodbye, everyone.